Yo, hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit your text in Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open Photoshop. And just for your information, this tutorial will help you in any kind of versions that you have of this program. For me, I'm using the 2019 version. If you have the 2022 version, it will work as well. If you have like 2012 version, it will work as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on File and New, and let's choose whatever preset we have here, or click on here and create our own customized presets. So for me, I will just choose this one and click on Create. After that, we drag here this menu on the left, click on T or text, and from here we can type our text. Like for example, let's write hi YouTube, and then here you go. Let's click on Ctrl T, and we have this selection. From here we can make it bigger, or we can move it. We can even rotate it from this angle, or just by clicking in it, by clicking on the layer or on the T. From here it will shows up this menu, and from here you can choose whatever option you'd like to use or to do on your font or your text. Like for example, here is the font gallery. You can here choose whatever font you like. For example, let's have this font here, and from here you can choose it. If they have other options in this font, it will show you these options in here. From here you can change the size of the font. Like from here you can make it bigger like that, or make it smaller from here. Otherwise, there is this one. From here you can make it in the center, in the left, on the right, and wherever you want. There's other options that you can use is by just clicking on the layer here and check these options right there in properties. From here you can choose the weight and the height of the width and the height of the text, and the placement X and Y. You can change the placement of the text wherever you like. Here the angle, like the rotation of the text, for example 19. Here you see, and here the same options that I showed you, like the text, font, the size. Here for example, the spacement between the text, like let's see, let's change this and we make enter. As you can see, if we change this, the size of the space between the two lines, it will change as well. And there is this one that change the size or the space between each alphabet. And there is much more options. From here you can check them out by yourself and choose whatever wherever is good for your project or whatever it is. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you like it, please leave a like, and thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.